Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Let's talk about the internal fixture adapter, what the status light means, and how to do a hard reset. The internal fixture adapter, or more commonly known as the IFA, has a single button on it named Config button. It also has a status LED. This is what the status LED represents. When the fixture is on, the status LED is off. When the fixture is off, the status LED will be on, but only for 10 minutes. It will blink once when it receives a command, and a double flash when it's not part of a network or unclaimed. Let's talk about doing a hard reset on this device. What is a hard reset? It's a sequence of events that you can do physically to the device to set it back to factory defaults. We recommend hard resetting as a last resort, as this will remove all schedules and settings. You will have to re-add and reprogram the device. This is most commonly used when moving devices from one account to another, like a demo system or a testing setup. Something you need to be aware of before doing a hard reset. Each device has a secure key it receives when it joins a network. When you do a hard reset, it sets the device back to factory defaults and removes the secure key. During this process, the app and cloud are not aware that this has happened, with an end result of an orphan device in the app that cannot be controlled. You will want to remove the device from that account first and then do the reset. To hard reset the IFA, press and hold the config button for 20 seconds and then let go. Once the reset is complete, the light fixture will flash twice by going from 100% to 10% in value. You can also validate that it has left the network by the status LED or see if it's available by adding it in the app.